All right, good morning. 75 hard, day 6. We're doing it. All right, I had a plan. I already did my hour-long warm-up in the dungeon. I was gonna go for an outside run, but I think I'm gonna switch it up. I got a couple bags of trash here. I got a 30-pound rock and a 60-pound sandbag. My driveway is anywhere between a third of a mile and a half a mile. I'll figure it out while I do it. So I think I'm gonna put on the ruck and I'm gonna show them run these trash bags out to the road because it is trash day this morning. And then I'm gonna go to the arena. And I had a workout planned for the arena, but I have some more stuff come up that I wanna do. So we're gonna go to the arena, we're gonna do a workout, and then we're gonna do a cold plunge. Sunrise at 7:56. It's gonna be 28 to 32 degrees this morning. Or is. It's currently, I don't know, what time is it? 7:21. All right, so at sunrise, we want to do our sun gazing, our Wim Hof breathing, and then we're gonna get in the pond. All right, so you know I've been trying to increase my time in the pond, or in the cold plunge, per se. I did 15 to 20 seconds in the shower this morning. I feel fantastic. So let's go. I'll bring you along with me. And we'll do it together. Yeah. Okay, so round trip, it's 0.53 miles, right? I don't know if you can see that or not. 0.53 miles. So, I'm gonna need to save that. So it's a half a mile per lap. Y'all wanna come with me? Sun's starting to come up. It's getting a little light out. Let's go for a ride. It is awkward, for sure, carrying this, this bag. But, go. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's up. Okay, go. Oh, go. There. Dang dog, not supposed to come out the gate. All right, here we go. Going back, and then we're gonna go to the arena. Pretty excited about it. Let's go. Hey, seriously though, if it keeps snowing, or maybe even not, might get out the sled, try to do some sledding. That's fun. Did it last year, it was great. Pond, looking nice and inviting this morning, yeah? Yeah. Yeah. It's gonna be fun. So I'm starting to warm up pretty good. Pretty happy with that. So we're almost there, and then I'll take you to the arena. Let's go. What a beautiful day. Beautiful morning. It's just, you don't get these opportunities a whole lot. Go out and test yourself, you know? Take advantage of it when you can. I know I like to. So, oh, I also went with the Gore-Tex this morning. Because, yeah, as you can see, it's pretty gnarly out here. So, you're welcome to the arena. We got a tire with a sledgehammer. We got some rings, pull-up bar ish, and now a 60-pound sandbag and a 30-pound ruck. Oh shit, my water's in there. Whoopsies. All right, we come up with a plan. Come up with a plan of what I want to do. I'll bring you back. What's up, Bobo? All right. For those of you who were wondering, I did not spill my water. It's still full from the bag. Ha. Fuck, we pissed on. I make fire. Yeah. Drawn. Ring. Back for fire. All right, I got my 90 pounds in my sandbag and my Go Ruck. I'm leaving the arena. I gotta come back and put that fire out, but GoPro's got 3% battery. I'm gonna try to get the cold plunge done on before this battery goes. All right, so the GoPro did die on the way to the pond. It's now 9 o'clock. Took about 15 minutes to charge the GoPro. Did my 3 rounds of Wim Hof breathing. Did a little meditation, box breathing, calm my heart. See if I can get a little more time in the water today. Whew, my feet are cold already. Let's go. Let's go. Water's up. All right, we're on the dock. Let's see how I can make this. Set this right here. And no, we'll set it. Yeah. How's that? Yeah, perfect. All right. 75 hard. Day 6. Cold plunge. Here we go. Oh, okay. Okay. It's cold. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. That's it. Did a little bit longer today. I don't know how long. A little bit, but it is cold. Oh, my feet are so cold. All right, so it's about a wrap for the day. I may do some nutrition. I don't know. Probably gonna eat the same stuff I've been eating, so we'll see. But my feet. Okay. I'm gonna make it to my house. Get inside. Probably gonna go to the dungeon. Try to warm up a little bit, and then yeah, we'll probably see you guys later for nutrition, or we'll see you tomorrow.